Confidence hack number 36. Guess what? 120 years from now, no one will remember you. The confidence boost today comes from not worrying about people remembering you 120 years from now or leaving a quote unquote legacy. Hey, I'm David Nurse. I coach NBA players, CEOs, and high performers how to hack their confidence. If you want a confidence boost directly to your inbox every single morning, check out my website, davidnurse.com, where you can sign up for free to get a confidence boost coming to you every morning or every week, your choice, so you can start the day off on the right confident foot. Quick, how many people can you name who were alive 120 years ago? Go ahead. Yep, that's what I thought. If you named over 5 people, very impressive. If you named over 10 people, you are in the top percentile. If you named over 15 people, you are just flat out lying. There's a great piece in knowing that you won't be remembered 120 years from now, and that's totally okay. In a study done by Ancestry.com, half of Americans know the name of only one or none of their great-grandparents. 22% of Americans don't know what either of their grandfathers did for a living. Although America is known as a nation of immigrants, 27% don't know where their family lived before America. Do you feel better now? You're not the only one. So don't take this the wrong way. You absolutely do matter, and your life has massive importance. You don't have to put pressure on yourself to live a life worthy of the high school history books. It doesn't matter. Your great-great-grandkids might never know your name, and that is okay. The definition of legacy is not how many people remember you when you're dead and gone. The true definition of legacy is the way you make people feel about themselves when you're around them. I'll repeat that. The true definition of legacy is the way you make people feel about themselves when you are around them. Let yourself breathe a sigh of relief that you don't have to worry about being remembered 100 years from today. So gain confidence today knowing that you don't have to worry about the history books or what society calls a legacy, but instead start leaving the best of you in everyone that you meet. I'm a work in progress on that, but I'm always working on this. Taking time for the woman behind the cash register, or the stranger in the park, or the person who even cuts you off in traffic. What if you could leave the best of you in them today? That is legacy. So I get the question asked a lot, David, how do you stay so young? How do you still look like you're in your 20s? Oh, thank you. Thank you. I like to think that. And I do get that question a lot. And hopefully it's not people asking why I act young, but why I stay young and look young. And really the reason is what I've been doing for the past year. The skin company I have been using is called OneSkin. And for my face, it's cleared up rosacea. It's helped keep my skin vibrant. It actually has reduced the actual true age of my skin. It's crazy. It's like telomeres where you reduce the actual age of who you are. This reduces the age of your skin. My wife and I, we went up to HQ in San Francisco early 2023, and we saw the entire lab, met the people, saw the mission that they are on, and they're doing it. They are quickly becoming the #1 skincare company. They've got skin lotion for your face, for your entire body, even healthy sunscreen, which is very hard to come by. OneSkin, as amazing as they are, they've given me and my wife the ability to give out a code to get 15% off to try it out for yourself. My code is David15. My wife's is Taylor15. Decide who you like better. Be careful. But really, it's been a game changer for me, and I won't use anything else because of what it's done for my skin. So check it out for yourself, oneskin.co. That's oneskin.co, and the code is David15 or Taylor15. Let me know how you're liking it.